Evans, where is Evans? With us this morning are Uromi youths. We are here to see the area commander and the DPO to register our grievances. For the past 3 months, we have been on this issue. It baffles us that there is a task force set up in Uromi. Their sole duty is to collect money from heavy-duty vehicles. They collect to the tune of 5,000, 10,000 as the case may be. They allow them to pass through our local roads. Thereby, they are destroying Mission Road, Egbae Road, Arwe Road, Ero Road, and Ivwe Road. After collecting this money, they allow them to pass this our local road. They cause traffic. They destroy our road. For the past 3 weeks, we have recorded a lot of incidents wherein lives were lost. Students that are going to school, parents that are going to work, the video and social media. Based on this, we've had series of meetings with the local government chairman, begging him to ask this local government task force to desist from these acts. All effort to solve them has been in vain. They even threatened that we cannot stop them, that they are collecting this money. This is their only source of livelihood. This is the work that the local government gave to them. So it is on this that today we have come to let them know before we embark on our road rally and peaceful protest. Akube.